I think AHS has a lot to answer for.
Nearly 3 weeks after allegations first dropped in the Globe and Mail of political interference from the Premier's office in Alberta Health Services contracts, the topic continues to dominate press conferences.
This government has billions and billions and billions of dollars of procurement that gets done through independent agencies and that gets done through independent processes.
The claims come from the former AHS CEO in a wrongful dismissal suit directed at Alberta's health minister and AHS. Allegations the Premier has defended herself and her health minister against, with the launching of 2 investigations into procurement processes. Allegations the province tried to move on from Monday.
It would create a process and a path for a family member, guardian, for healthcare professionals, and for law enforcement or peace officers to intervene and request treatment for somebody who's in addiction.
Announcing $180 million for 2 compassionate intervention facilities in Edmonton and Calgary. Compassionate intervention could be one of 20 bills the province will introduce this spring.
We will continue to enact business-friendly policies that attract investment, continue our work to refocus the healthcare system.
The government House leader says the upcoming session will feature legislation on utility costs and auto insurance changes, insisting Albertans have trust in his party.
I'm listening to my own constituents, and they have a lot of faith in this government, understanding that we are doing a lot of heavy lifting on a number of different files.
The spring session is set to begin days after Albertans rallied outside the legislature calling on Smith to step down.
Things like entitlement, arrogance, unfairness, those are things that can be particularly problematic for Conservative governments.
This political scientist believes the AHS allegations will remain top of mind during the spring session and questions whether more MLAs will speak up after one cabinet minister called for Adriana LaGrange to step aside amid ongoing investigations. The spring session starts Tuesday. Chelan, Skulski, CTV News, Edmonton.